Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Compass Payroll account. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now, before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on a PC. Now there, search for compasspayroll.com and press enter on a keyboard. And then you will directly taken to its official website. Now scroll a bit down. Now there you have to click this enter secure site button. And after that you will directly taken to its login page. And now you have to type in your username and the password of your Compass Payroll account. And if in case you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on Forget Password link. And once you're done with typing in your login details, tick this square box which says I am not a robot. And once you get this tick mark, tap on login button in order to get logged into your Compass Payroll account. Now that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your Compass Payroll account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.